Meet the Flydigi Vader 5 Pro, the ultimate weapon for every serious gamer. Flydigi, the Chinese brand known for pushing the boundaries in gaming peripherals, has just unveiled the Vader 5 Pro, the latest evolution in their acclaimed Vader series. Building on the Vader 4 Pro's success, this new controller takes your gameplay to the next level with improved ergonomics, enhanced controls, and lightning-fast responsiveness. At first glance, the Vader 5 Pro retains the sleek black design with striking gold accents and a subtle light strip along the bottom, giving it a premium, modern look. But it's not just about aesthetics. The controller now features a slip-resistant rubber grip, ensuring comfort and stability even during marathon gaming sessions. The Vader 5 Pro packs a rich control layout. ABXY buttons, along with C and Z buttons, provide versatile input options for a variety of games. The thumbsticks are asymmetrical and force-adjustable, offering precise control tailored to your playstyle. But here's where it gets interesting. The triggers have been revamped with a lever transmission spring system, delivering sharper, more tactile feedback on every press. Expanding your control arsenal, the Vader 5 Pro adds LM and RM shoulder buttons, perfect for competitive play and complex inputs. Plus, the rear paddles, M3 and M4, are fully detachable, inspired by premium controllers like the Xbox Elite, giving you customizable control layouts. Latency matters, especially in fast-paced games. The Vader 5 Pro boasts an ultra-low wireless latency of just 4 milliseconds, ensuring near instantaneous response times. Whether on PC, console, or mobile, this controller adapts seamlessly. Charging is effortless with the redesigned dock, a compact, sleek station that keeps your controller powered and ready for action. It's a subtle but essential upgrade for any serious gamer setup. The Flydigi Vader 5 Pro is currently available in China for around $60, with a global launch expected soon. If you're after a high-performance, customizable controller that delivers precision, comfort, and speed, the Vader 5 Pro deserves a place in your gaming arsenal.